welcome to our summer morning routine and back to school prep. And having a productive morning with kids can sometimes be a hit or miss, but the joy afterwards it's so worth it. So today I'm going to be sharing our summer morning routine, how we go about it, and also one thing I've learned is to have a practical daily routine to guide me throughout the day, especially during the summer holiday. I can't tell you guys, if you're a mom, if you have kids, if you're a guardian, if you're a parent, you know that the summer holidays, some parents they don't find it funny at all. They don't find it fun. But yeah, I find that having a routine that works for you and the kids, it's always way to go. And let me tell you guys, we've been enjoying every moment of this summer holiday. Personally, I love having the kids, all to myself during the summer holiday, because you guys know once they go back to school, their time and their days is always divided by school activities, going to school, coming home. But yeah, throughout the summer holiday, I absolutely love enjoying the kids all to myself and hobby. So guys, basically, of course, the first thing we go ahead and do is to make up the bed. This is so important. I always tell you guys that making up my bed is kind of me telling myself, you know what, we are done with sleeping, it's morning, we gotta get onto whatever routine we have for the day. So of course I have my handy dandy robot vacuum. This really comes in handy, especially when you don't want to spend the time sweeping or vacuuming. You simply just put on the robot vacuum, and it does the cleaning for you. And of course you guys can see me pursuing Ace away from the vacuum. He loves disturbing my robot whenever it's cleaning. But yeah, next thing is to go ahead and brush his teeth. Of course, for the girls actually, for some reason, they still keep up to their school body clock, even during the holidays. So usually they wake up 7:15 or 7 o'clock, and then of course they do their morning, they clean up their bedroom, and then they have their shower and whatever. And of course, as you guys can see, I now have big girls, guys. I have the girls, they are the ones now practically making almost everything in the house when it comes to recipes and food, guys, because like I told you guys, we started when immediately they turned 10. Now they are almost 12. So immediately they turned 10, we started learning, I started teaching them recipes and things like that. So now I don't even bother myself with cooking, because they are all they have they know how to cook, or they have their what is it called, their guide. They always have things that they write down, like the recipes when I was teaching them how to cook. So now they just make the food. But as you guys can see, I just added some blueberries, because we decided to have some oats today. And of course, immediately after breakfast, you have to clean up the kitchen. You don't want to leave the kitchen a mess. So that is basically what we are doing here. Sometimes I would, allow them to do the dishes by hand, but today I decided to use the dishwasher. And yeah, while I was doing this, they were all getting ready because we had to run out quickly. You guys know, yeah, it's summer holiday, but also at the same time, it's already back to school prep. So unfortunately, unfortunately, the kids, they've been home all this while, and unfortunately they are going to be going back to school soon. So they are getting ready while I'm just finishing up the kitchen. Just put the dishes inside the dishwasher, and then I'm going to quickly go ahead and clean up my countertop, because I don't know, I love it whenever I step into my kitchen to see it sparkling clean. My kitchen is clean at all time. That's how I love it. So whether we are having our breakfast, whether we are having our lunch, whether we are having our dinner, best believe that immediately after that we are cleaning the kitchen. But yeah, since I put the dishes inside the dishwasher, I'm just going to quickly go ahead and clean up the sink, because you guys know the sink, with all the plates and dishes inside the sink, you want to go ahead and clean it out, even though you're using your dishwasher to wash the dishes. So that is basically what I'm doing here. And then after that, I'm going to go ahead and just clean up my countertop, like I said, to make sure the kitchen is nice and clean. So are you guys ready for your kids to go back to school? I always ask this question. I ask it on my Instagram a lot. Like, to sometimes I be like, moms, how are you guys holding up? Like, what is going on with the kids, you know? And summer holiday, you guys know that kids can be crazy sometimes. Like, they can run us crazy, but at the end of the day, we can't do without them, guys. That's just the truth. So, you know, sometimes I just ask, especially like, or even when I'm out and about, you know, I see moms and their kids, I'm like, how are you guys holding on? Because I know how crazy it can be, especially all this long vacation is actually, like I said, fun for me, but I noticed that a lot of parents, especially working parents, they don't find it easy. But anyways, guys, I was done with the kitchen, and then I decided to take a quick shower. And guys, it's funny how I still have tan. Like, you guys, we just came back from Cancun, Mexico, and it's so hot, you know, on that side. A lot of us, we got a lot of tan. The kids, they look darker. Even me, I really like, I darkened up on, like, you know how they say your summer body is different from your winter body. So through, even in complexion, I really darkened up. But anyways, you guys, I went ahead and, you know, took my shower, and then over here I just applied my facial products. If you follow my channel, if you watch my videos, you know that I'm going through some procedures on my face at the moment. I have some laser treatment and things like that because of my acne and the hyperpigmentation and all the things that, you know, have happened to my face all throughout the years. Like, I have a very severe sensitive skin and also acne prone skin. But anyways, guys, they got ready, I got ready, and now I'm just, you know, fixing their hair before we head out. We, like I told you guys, we are heading out to go continue with their back to school shopping. And with their back to school shopping, I'm not sure what's going on. I can't even talk. But yeah, I always love to start really early, you know, to go for back to school shopping, because I find that I save more. As a matter of fact, you know, I find that things are cheaper, especially now. Like, over here in New Jersey, right, the kids literally got out of school, I believe, in June. But like places like Georgia, because I have a friend in Georgia, her kids got out of school, I believe, May. So the kids on that side, they're already going back to school like first week of August, while my kids are going back to school in first week of September. So we still have time, you know, for back to school. But I always love to start immediately they put out back to school things. So number one, there is no rush. Number two, you still have everything in stock. I hate it. Like, I've been caught severally, you know, like I've been caught what is it called, like I've been caught unawares in terms of, you know, going for back to school shopping really late, and by the time you get there, some of the school uniforms are over, like they are out, and some books are out, some school supplies are out. So I just love to start early to get everything that we need. And also because, of course, we're attending to 3 kids, that way I have all the time in the world to go ahead and shop for everything they need. And of course, you guys, you already know that anything you see in my video is always linked in my description box. We actually went to Walmart to shop for their clothing, for their school supplies, and of course I'm going to link everything in my description box. We actually just had a campaign with Walmart, and of course I'm going to also link the video here in case if there's anything you guys saw in the video that you like, their school uniform, their school bag, whatever it is, it's of course gonna be linked in my description box. But yep, you guys, as you guys can see, this is a very quiet, simple morning routine, our summer morning routine. But let me know if you want to see like our morning routine or a day in our life, like summer edition from morning till night. Let us know if you guys want to see it. And also, if you enjoyed this video, kindly hit that like button below, and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And till my next video, I will see you all very soon. Bye. Getting the kids ready to go back to school can be a whole lot, but having a shop that has everything makes the job so much easier. Parents, it's time to send our kids back to school in grand style, and Walmart has everything they need to make back to school a memorable one. From uniforms to footwear, school bags, regular clothing, school supplies at a very affordable prices. Click the link in my story to start your back to school shopping today. Thanks to Walmart for sponsoring this video.